Okay? Alright? We are suffering. Please.
Please! 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 Please!
You are not only suffering.
We are the people's friend of Burma.
Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, please follow me. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Underneath your chair, there is an envelope. Please pick it up and place it on your lap. Now, open it. Inside, you will find a leaf, a bitter leaf. In Burma, it is given to friends and guests to chew. But please don't do it. Now, place it on the center of your forehead and hold it there with your index finger. Friends, I would like to welcome you to Burma. The girl you are looking at now, her name is Tenten.
The memory of that night is still vivid. That night, my mother, father, my two brothers, and my younger sister were swept to their death after our house collapsed in the flat.
I fell in love with a gorgeous girl. But her father didn't like me because I had no education. He was right about that. But, his daughter loved me. So, we ran away together to Nyonya.
Where are my children?
Everywhere were dead bodies crushed under fallen trees. People walked through the village in a sort of dream. We reached our house. It was gone. Our land flooded. Dead bodies in the paddy fields.
Let me out of hell!